Oh my god, I need chapstick.
Yasmin, don't kill me. No, I have chapstick. I'll put it on you.
Can I go get some water? I'm thirsty.
Oh my god, we have to film. It's 10 o'clock on a school night.
Okay, fine. You're so annoying. Is it recording right now?
Girly girl gang scandal.
She's starving me. She won't let me drink water.
Hey guys, it's Annabelle. Welcome back to another video. So today you can tell by the title that today I'm going to be doing a bedroom transformation video. I've been wanting to do a room transformation video for a very long time now. As you can see, there is just a messy bed behind me, probably a very uncomfortable mattress, right? Well, thanks to Lowell for sponsoring this video and sending me a free mattress. Kind of big, so I can't really get it right now, but I'm redoing my room. So I went out to a ton of stores like Urban, Hobby Lobby, Target, and I got some really cute room decorations as well as this amazing full-size mattress. All the information about Lowell will be in the description box and I will be saying it throughout the video. So I hope you guys are pumped to see me redo my room, and hopefully there will be a room tour coming soon. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, also, I have a little special friend. You can come over here now. I have Yasmin Bateman here with me today.
What up, yeah?
And she's gonna be helping me like redo my room and help me unbox this giant mattress that's in here.
Yes. Yay!
Without further ado, let's get started. Woo! Yasmin's going to be handing me a bunch of things and I'm going to be showing you guys what I got to redo my room. So the main thing of this video is this Lowell mattress. She's fantastic. It's really convenient because they literally just like sent it to my house. Usually it's like a hassle to like go to a store and like find out what mattress you want, and like then you have to figure out how you're going to get it home because it's so big. Basically you open up the mattress and you let it just expand over 24 hours, and then in the morning you have a full-on mattress, like a full-on mattress, and apparently it's the most comfortable thing ever, and we're going to be trying it out for my new room. But yeah, I'm so pumped, and I'm just gonna show you guys what else I got. So for my dresser's been a little boring recently. I decided to get this adorable little like plate thingy. I don't really know what you would call it. I got it from TJ Maxx, I believe, and I'm just gonna put like my perfumes and stuff on it. I am going to be putting these on my mirror over there in the corner, and it's just gonna like spice it up a little bit. The next thing that I ordered was actually from Amazon, so love that. I don't know, I think it's just really simple, really cute. It's white and it has like this adorable like wooden base. Next, I took a trip to IKEA and got this adorable plant because I've been needing some plants recently. I got some vines from Hobby Lobby. Like greenery is really cute now. And then the next thing, I'm actually doing like a DIY, but I found these flowers at Hobby Lobby and I'm gonna actually just be cutting them off and putting them on my wall. Really cute, super trendy. The next thing I have is this adorable inspiration board. Some pictures of like my favorite quotes and like my friends and like sunflowers. The next thing is from Target, and I got a lamp for my nightstand because I need one. The old one broke, so that is all the things that we got for my room. Now keep watching and we're gonna get decorating. Is that right, Yasmin?
Oh yeah. I'm ready for it.
Let's
do it.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Let's do it. What is up, guys? Welcome. So I don't even know where this video is starting. I don't know how crazy this video is about to be, but I know it's gonna be crazy. I needed to vlog this really quick for you guys because I am so pumped. I just got home from school, and while I was at school, my mom texted me this picture. And she showed me that my little mattress has arrived. And I am so excited. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna go get it from downstairs. It's probably gonna be really heavy. So we're gonna go get it. I can't wait to sleep like a freaking queen. Let's go get this mattress. It's here. This isn't even focused. Okay, I'm opening the front door. What? Oh my goodness, guys. Look at it. It's huge. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna have to get this buddy up to my room. Oh my god, I'm so excited. She's heavier than I thought. That's when you know you're gonna get a good sleep. So we successfully got the box upstairs. Now we gotta take it to my room, so. Cut to the unopening right now. Cut to the unopening. Boom. Okay guys, I have my helper Yasmin.
Hello everybody.
Gonna help me unbox the mattress, and we are gonna let the mattress expand for 24 hours while we decorate my room. So we're gonna unbox it. I'm nervous. So obviously my room's a mess because like
we're about to clean it.
We're about to clean it. I'm so nervous.
There we go.
Whoa. Here we go. Whoa baby. It's a jungle out there. Look at this thing.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
There we go. Slide her right open.
It's already making noises.
It's already.
We gotta hurry. It's like paper thin. Here's my mattress, guys. Here it is.
There we go.
She's expanding. Oh, she's comfy. Oh, holy cow, this is so comfy. Okay guys, so it is about 2 days later since I let the mattress fully expand. I have the mattress here on my bed. It is the most comfortable thing I have ever slept on. So I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about it, and I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So here's my new mattress, my new bed. Literally, I could just take a nap right here. I'm so comfortable, you guys don't even know. So I have gotten a few questions about the Lul mattress, so I thought I would give you guys some answers. So the first question is, has Lul affected the quality of your sleep? That is a yes, a straight up yes, like straight up yes. Lul mattress, honestly, like it is the most comfortable mattress I've ever owned. Now, has it affected the quality of my sleep? Yes. I sleep so much better now, and if you guys know me, you'll know that I never really have trouble sleeping, like I don't. But sometimes I do have trouble falling asleep. I fall asleep so much faster on the Lul mattress. I don't know what it is. It's just so comfy. And like, it's just foam. Like, I'm getting sleepy right now. With the Lul mattress, I feel like I'm way more well rested and I feel more energized in the morning. Next question is, would you say that the mattress is soft, firm, or mixed? Now, for me, I don't know, I can't really tell. I feel like it's just super soft, super foam. It does feel hard, like when you first like kind of touch it, and then like once you actually get onto it, it's like the softest thing ever. I have 2 more questions that I want to answer, but I'm kind of gonna put it into one. So the first question is, what was the delivery process like, and how was your sleep on the new Lul mattress? But when I received the mattress, it came in this giant box. Yeah, it's kind of big. If you're just like any normal person, you're not gonna be like, oh my god, a mattress in a box sounds like heaven. You know, it doesn't work like that. Most people think like a mattress in a box is just like gonna be like bad quality or like not good. Well, I was a little wary to try it out, but I was really excited to work with them. I got the mattress going, I set it up. As you guys saw in previous clips, I let the mattress expand, and I waited about 3 days for it to work out. It honestly didn't even take that long for it to like start expanding. As soon as I like cut the package open, it just started getting bigger and bigger, and I was like, I'm so excited. And then I just laid the Lul mattress on my floor, and it just did its thing and expanded, and within honestly like 20 minutes I was literally already laying on it because I was so excited. And now my Lul mattress is on my bed, and my first sleep on the mattress was honestly amazing. I was honestly so pumped and so excited to sleep on it. Like, I remember sitting in school and I was just so ready to get out of school because I just wanted to come take a nap. But my first like real sleep during the night on the Lul mattress, I fell asleep so easily, and like I said earlier, I woke up feeling just great and refreshed. And they're so simple. Like, why buy a mattress from a random mattress store when you can buy a mattress that will literally arrive at your front doorstep? If you're looking for a new mattress, I definitely highly recommend Lul. They're incredible. There's a couple things that I do want to mention about this video. One, this video is sponsored by Lul, so thank you so much to them for reaching out to me and working with me. 2, they have free shipping. So if you order a mattress, you get free shipping. 3, it's a 100-night trial. 4, there's free returns. So if you like get the wrong size or you don't like your mattress, you can return it for free. And 5, you can save $150 with my code, which will be linked in the description box and on the screen. Yeah, that is it for this room transformation slash Lul review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up because of this new amazing mattress, and I'm going to be sleeping well and staying on the grind for you guys because of Lowell. You guys can make sure to comment down below what videos you guys would like to see from me next, and yeah, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay smiling, sunshine. Stay positive. Remember that I love you. Love you guys so much. Peace.